we come back from this zit once again. Ajiru tea garden de loi jai ase and tade na paila bacha lor kheli ase time ja na jani na boi ase de on dekhibo pari ase so tea garden de ekbar loi jabi na ina tai bi dekhibole mon na do garde edo loi na aina ase edo lob boibo after that korai jabo mormi lage ki dor pa man jaga re aha ase man dori aro korai jabo aro like this is surprise. I have learned so many things, guys. Starting from English. Kile man, mane brief ekta hoy, mon danga hoy. Mon to bijibok to naga manu khan ina hoisu gole to. Magi han gole to ini ekta bhamna gole to na. Ekdam chuttu garne man count gori kina ahe mala society de holi manu khan to see ki man mane countries ta han birai khotam hoina hala khobor honi ase de. Idone man bi nichu ke motivate korina nichu mon hot cheese nichu interest hot cheese to na haraigena and very inspiring story about ma'am is like government job ekta man dangor government job ekta chari na ta ina explore kore life enjoy korule at the same time manu ke inspire kori dole tai laga zil thaki she kola khobor na bishi morom na murki ekta nisna dikhi ase khiti la khorbe ta de boi ase so it's gonna be another interesting vlogs. Say bye bye. Pachong kam kurbo. I'm going to field. Hey, hi, hi. Bye. Bye. See ya. Hey, hey. He's watching his bag, you know. Hello. Come on. Say come on. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Sai bo kan ge chắc bằng tầm ko.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I'm Wang. Happy birthday, cho. Oh, you want to take the bag? Oh, don't do that. Aha. 4. What? Playing with auntie? Yung tang out, tang out. Yes.
Happy birthday.
Aya. Ay.
Whose head is this?
Yes, we are escape. Oh.
So cute.
Dun.
Fashionista.
Oh.
You can carry this bag.
Ayo. Right now we are in the hut right now. We'll take rest for a few minutes. We'll be moving out to jungle. Oh, for today's meal we cook a lots of eggs out here. You can have water from this place also, okay? You just boil it out from this bottle. Oh, nang pagi? Wow, this is hot. It's a good place to take rest, yeah. It's a new tea garden. So we are roaming out here. So from this place, we are here with our ma'am, guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Woo, enjoying.
Wow.
That's what they are collecting for me. I told you like I'm gonna build a house out there. That's the reason all the brothers and team they cut down everything. So they are working today. Can you carry this?
This?
Hmm.
I don't think so.
Try it out once. It will be heavy for you. Just all on one. Oh, it's so heavy. I think you can't do that. Oh my God. Is it possible for you? No, it's too big. It's too big for you, I think. No,
Yeah.
I will hold you.
This is very expensive Korean labor. That's for free. Canadian labor.
Canadian labor. Yeah.
Minimum wage is $15 an hour.
I have to pay more than $15 an hour. Oh my God. So you have to balance. You should not stuck in any place. Yeah. Oh my God. You are doing great. Trying something new. It's always good thing. See the way. Okay. Yeah. There's lots of disturbance. Oh my God. Is it heavy? There are lots of stuff out here. So
It's just getting hot.
Come this side, come this side. This is the way. You can ship. Do not hurt any. Everybody's smiling. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Is it okay? Is it too heavy? You just let me know, huh? You got any problem? Wow, you are doing great, yeah.
So I'm giving you a little piece of wood for your house.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I should lime this wood.
You're doing
I
great,
think
yeah.
you have to help me put it down.
Obviously. Sukri can roam around and she can even do work out here in the field. So surprised.
Where are the berries?
Very fish there. So we're gonna cross to that place. It will be a tough journey. I don't know whether we can cross this river or not. It's too heavy. Come on. I think you can do it. Boy down, boy down. It's good to experience something new, yeah.
Oh. It feels like there's like a hole underneath.
No.
And
There won't be a hole.
fall.
No need to worry.
Vast.
This is a river that we are crossing. River. The Korean Tukri also crossed this very river. Yeah. We are searching for gooseberry right now. Gooseberry trees here. Very, we call it. You got it? Yeah, lots. So I climb up to half part of the tree only, so we can take everything, but we'll collect somehow. So tasty, so sweet. Yeah, there are many. Okay, try to collect everything because it's good. You can put it inside when you are going to journey, nah?
Yeah.
It's good to refresh while we are feeling sleepy, while we are sick. Yeah, they're low. See? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got lots. Lots. Feeling exhausted, guys. We went to collect strawberry.
Gooseberry.
Oh, gooseberry. Barba galti hoja. Where is it?
Huh?
Can I see this gooseberry that we collect today?
Ow.
It's too far away, I think. This gooseberry that we took today. And we're gonna move on to another field. Today we are enjoying in the what tea garden in Tizit Valley. So we just had a great time. It's gonna be noon right now, so we're gonna bake to our own place. Home, we'll arrange everything. So we are having a great time. And you know, I'm surprised to know that the Korean lady can walk in the field. He can even like take out that pose from Tampanka and that like new field where the fuel is not yet burned. It's quite difficult to roam around, especially for the ladies, and that lady could do that. Oh my god, everyone is shocked and all the brothers are surprising like, oh, is it the girl they are coming from city they are talking about? So very much brief lady is with us right now. That's a beautiful field that we are coming across. So thank you everyone for supporting us. Might turn to your memories, but it's good to create good memories with all the friends those who are meeting from different places, just arriving to our place. So guys, stay tuned and so we are in hot right now. It's too hot, right? Gooseberry with chili powder. We are taking a rest right now. I've already done with chili powder. Gooseberries, yeah. Whoa, this is what we took from the jungle with a race crazy, and we're gonna move out to our place. Thank you, owner. I'm gonna khorde khiti khorde. We just stop here for a while and
Oh, this is not your family's
yeah,
home. This your neighbor. Oh.
my neighbor. And see here, one photo for you. Dun, 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 dun.
This bench, I can take a nap. Nice shade. Good
Okay.
view. Fresh air.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's like honey water. Like it's so sweet. I feel like I'm in a movie. Or like a
Yeah.
documentary.
Dun, dun, dun. Cinematic.
It's so beautiful.
Cinematic shot is here. See the hole, okay?
Oh.
There's a hole. Oh ho ho ho!
Oh, yeah.
How do you use a cutter? Clean up everything and waiting for new season to earn the money. So the owners used to do like that. Have you ever seen like this before?
No, only when there's leaves on it.
Till that very noddy site is a tea garden. You know what is that? What is this? Just
To dry
according
meat?
to huh?
Dry meat?
Dry meat. Two. I'll give you 3 chances. That's wrong. Dry meat. That's wrong. Number 2. Think it twice. Since we are nearby tea garden. Next.
To dry tea leaves?
Another wrong answer. And last answer. Only one chance. You see, you can see the tea garden first. It's nearby tea garden, and it used to work for tea only, and that's really important. Without this, we can't. I can't say that very words. You all know that, but we can't this. Without this, we can't.
I don't know.
Just last chance. You can say anything. Dun, dun, dun. Tick tick 1, 2 up to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can I call your mom?
Okay.
What is it?
Okay, this is a place like where we used to like weight,
Hmm.
taste the weight, how much kgs that we
Oh,
plug it
to
out.
measure.
So we just to measure the kgs out here. We'll hang it out, and brothers they will arrive here and they will collect from different tea garden rice, right? So at that very time they used to measure from this place.
Wow.
We are in jungle right now, so relaxing place.
So nice here.
So nice, right?
Yeah.
After roaming around to tea garden, so
You should show them the road.
road.
This
Let me
way.
show the road.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place, right? I just want to request the owner of this land not to cut down all the trees. I think around this place, this is the only place that we can relax while we are roaming here and there. Even in the summer, it's too hot in other place. Here, somehow we relax with the fresh air. Love it here.
Actually, it's not bad.
It's not bad. Oh, so sorry. It's blocking down.
It's not bad.
Not bad. Yeah? You just
Yeah, but
come
if
this
I
side.
were to walk for a long time,
Try this.
I'll get tired.
Oh,
It's like cooling down.
is it comfortable?
No, it's like my neck will get tired. It's like
Okay.
on my head.
It's just a trial, okay? Okay. Thaigu, Austin. Think my
Thank you.
Chalo, welcome.